Ready? All go.
You know how you're always hearing this? Oh, I get a microphone. Cool. Okay, so you hear about this is not just a test. This is the emergency broadcast system. Blah blah blah. Is this on?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We don't get this.
Okay.
Cool. All right. You can tell I've had lots of practice with microphones. All right. So anyway, our presentation and our app is the emergency broadcast system. So in the case of an earthquake, a tornado, or any other natural disaster, this app will be there to help you out. It starts by, once you have your Google Glass on and you download this app, or however it actually works, you set your preferences. The preferences are, you actually go in and you record who are the people that I want notified in case of a particular disaster. If it's an earthquake, you set it so that if the natural disaster is above a 5 for my GPS area, then please notify these people. Your medical history or your medical conditions, you actually set into your preferences, your top 3, so that you can actually be put into a queue for being helped later. Then a beacon. A beacon, you set the frequency with a unique user ID, so that should your building collapse or something like that, a beacon will be sent at whatever frequency you've so chosen in the preferences. And you can also set up a meeting location for your friends and family, and that also gets sent in the text that gets sent out should you be in a 5 or above. So you've set all these preferences. Now an earthquake happens. And we have to do something. You're wearing your Google Glass, and the first thing that happens is a beacon starts off because this has been above a 5. Then you get this emergency push notification. You are 911, you're experiencing an earthquake of whatever. At the same time, you can actually set ahead of time whether you want to have a video recording. This could be a video recording of whatever's happening around you so that you can record the actual action, or even last words, should you think that you're not going to make it.
Mom, Dad, I love you.
Exactly. So your beacon obviously sets for the radius, and also if you just seem to be freaking out, you can actually have calming signals. You can set it for a voice that is calming, certain words or calming phrases, music that might be calming, instructions on perhaps if you've injured yourself or been injured, certain things that you can actually do to help yourself out. You can upload information, automatic uploads of your location, emergency services, and voice recording of details of disaster. So, you know, if you're in an earthquake, usually I'm grabbing my laptop and dialing it or logging into Caltech and putting in, okay, so this is where I am, and this is my zip code, and this is everything that I'm seeing. But this time you can it automatically sends your GPS and your information as soon as a disaster happens, along with any voice recording that it digitally translates into text and gets recorded. What it also does with that is if everybody is doing this, we actually get better and more accurate data for what happens during our emergencies. Then it also starts serving up maps and routes, because I don't know about you, but I don't know where the nearest hospital is. I don't know where the nearest emergency shelter is, but the maps will tell me based on where I am, because it won't matter where I am. It's going to serve me the latest and best information for me, where the Red Cross services are, where the hospital is, the family meetup, and the shelter. So that's pretty much.